Good evening, everyone. My name is Jared Sanchaywarji of Class 11, Science of Assam Rifles Public School. And today, on behalf of my team, I will be proposing an idea to compete or participate in the Vikshit Bharat Buildathon related to the theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The name of our theorized invention is called the Electrosonic Transmitter, and its goal is to convert electricity and transmit it in the form of sound waves. Now, here are some of the problems that it seeks to solve. So, in this modern age, almost everything around us runs with electricity. From our heaters to our fans to our rice cookers to our kettles to our TVs, everything runs on electricity. The problem is with all these tools that require electricity, there's still only one way for this electricity to be received, that is through wires. And the problem with wires is that it requires a double, or should I say, closed circuit for the electricity to pass through these wires, meaning that the wire would not only have to connect the source to the load, but from the load back to the source. That means that the wire would have to cover twice the distance just to complete one circuit, just to connect one device. That's why this leads to excessive use or amount of wires required and insulation. They are also prone to short-circuiting and overheating, which leads to loss of energy. Moreover, wires also require highly skilled laborers for the installments. And sometimes there are certain situations where wires installment is also not possible. To solve these, our invention, as I mentioned, the electrosonic transmitter, seeks to remove wires from the situation altogether. It aims to transmit electrical energy in the form of sound waves using a piezoelectric material. A voltage is applied through this piezoelectric material, and it has a strange property of vibrating vigorously when an alternating current is passed through it. And once this piezoelectric material vibrates, it will, and as we know, a vibrating element which will create sound. So theoretically, and it has also been proven that yes, when electricity is passed through this piezoelectric material, a sound of a user-defined frequency would be produced. So once this sound of a specific frequency is produced, we can transmit it however we like it through any medium, whether it's solid, liquids, or even gases. And once this sound is propagated in the environment, we can receive it with another receiver behaving the similar way. So the piezoelectric material would receive this signal and it would convert it back to its electrical energy to be used. So the advantage of this technology is that it not only works only in air for wireless communication or in wireless electrical transfer, it also works with the ground, concrete, or even underwater, meaning you could transfer energy from electric pole to electric pole without wires, and transfer energy between two boats or two ships in the ocean. And it can also transfer electrical energy through the walls of your own home, leading to multiple possibilities of new circuit designs and new technology like wireless charging, where the phone can actually be moved around in your own room without attaching it to anything. It also allows many appliances that require heavy electricity, like maybe your iron press that heats up the clothes, to work without the use of wires. Our technology also enables multiple connectivity of devices since sound can be radiated in any direction that we want, by having multiple receivers. Using one source of energy, multiple devices could be connected without using any wires. Adding to this, another advantage is that it works similar to like a radio. So we can change the frequency to our convenience, allowing inaudible sound to be propagated in the medium, so that we may not be able to hear it, leading to a finer transfer of energy. So in conclusion, our idea seeks to give an alternative way of transfer of electrical energy in the form of sound to help increase the connectivity of energy throughout the world. Thank you.